Hello, fellow artists. This is Linda Riddle, and it's a good time for art. Today, we'll be exploring some unique ways to decorate Easter eggs. Holidays give us a great opportunity to apply what we know about art in a playful and whimsical way. In this video, I'll demonstrate 3 different ways I've used familiar techniques to turn eggs into little works of art. This sparkly collage egg is super easy, and it gives you impressive results. This egg uses printmaking techniques to give you a beautiful layered dot pattern. Finally, this op art egg is a great way to challenge your drawing skill. Before we get started, let's look at some traditional egg decorating techniques for inspiration. Ukrainian eggs are some of the most admired Easter eggs. These eggs are called pisanki, which comes from the verb to write. Pisanki are made by drawing on an eggshell with melted beeswax, using a special tool called a kitska. The egg is then dipped into dye. The dye will not stick to the areas covered with wax. By repeating the process of adding wax and dipping the egg into different colors, the artist creates an intricate, colorful design. After the egg is dyed in the final color, a flame is used to melt the wax on the eggshell, revealing the colors underneath. The practice of decorating eggs dates back to pagan times, when eggs were decorated with symbols related to the natural world and the season of spring. Eggs themselves represent rebirth and fertility. When Christianity was introduced to Ukraine in the 10th century, pagan symbols were repurposed and new Christian ones were added. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had an excellent time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all for today, but remember, it's always a good time for art.